welcome back to the mess that my channel has become. But thanks for stopping by. Make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. It is time for a ARiiE unboxing. I'm trying to do better with these. I know 1 month I was late, so I'm not trying to have it again. It is time for the May ARiiE Influencer box. I do want to say, what was that? April's box has my skin looking like this. And I've not been really taking care of my skin that much, as I told you guys in the last video, because like life. But like I at least make sure I take care of it every morning with those cleansing pads, my cleanser, and the scar gel. I've been making sure to use the scar gel every morning just so I can see if there's any change. That way, if I use it every morning, I won't forget. You know what I mean? Sorry for my voice. My allergies are kicking my ass. But if you guys are ready to get into this ARiiE May skincare unboxing, keep on watching. So we're just gonna jump right into it. I know my last video, all of my get ready with me's are really long, so not trying to drag this out too much. And I'm filming on Sunday, which means I have to immediately start editing right after this to make sure that it's out for you guys on Monday. I'm not sure if it'll be midnight. If it's midnight, then you know I put in that schwark. If it is Monday at like 6, shut the hell up, okay? I needed some time. All right, we got one more of these. Oh, everything's purple. Sorry. We got one more of these cards to scan to win. I'm not doing it. And we only have 3 items in this box. I'm showing 2 are from the same line and 1 is different. So let's just start with the different one. All right, so this is how it came in the box, a little open. It probably just happened during shipping, got knocked over. So this is a retinol concentrated serum with pomegranate extract. It says 0.5 encapsulated retinol, bacchanal oil, I don't know what that is, and pomegranate extract. Let's see what it's about. So use this product, push down and twist, or child resistant. Good thing I read it first. If it's child proof, it is me proof. And then it says, on clean skin, dispense 3 to 4 drops for full face and massage gently with fingertips in the evening, immediately replacing cap tightly. Pair with anti-aging regeneration night cream. I have a bunch of night creams, so I don't know if I already have that, but I'm not sure. And then it says use sunscreen and limit sun exposure while using this product. That makes me feel like this is a kind of harsh product. Okay, let's see. It is a completely red bottle. You cannot see what's inside. It makes me feel like they're blocking out sun from this, which is why they say you're a sunscreen. Oh, look at that. Looks like orange soda. And we know who loves orange soda. If you don't, you are way too young and I don't know what you're doing. Oh, it feels nice. Very hydrating. But it kind of feels like it evaporates fast. You know what I mean? I think you guys know what I mean. It gets a little tacky, but not bad. Let's see. Wait. Formulated with advanced time-release encapsulated retinol to maximize delivery and effectiveness while minimizing potential effects such as redness, dryness, irritation, and peeling. Why would those things be happening? So it says to use this in the evening and in the morning put on sunscreen, but I guess it's if you don't wash your face in the morning. I don't know. Either way, you should be wearing sunscreen. It is today, like this weekend has been beautiful. Was my entire Saturday wasted? Absolutely. And I hated that for myself, but it's beautiful today, and I'm still wasting the day. So there's that. But this is cool. I just don't know. Caution, do not use if nursing or pregnant. What is in this? Moving on, because I'm a little concerned. So if you're pregnant or you're nursing, don't use this. It says visibly renews skin's radiance. It says Derma offsets 100% of conventional electricity. Okay, so it has nothing to do with anything. But I just wanted to make sure I'm reading everything because I did not see that last part. Moving on. I'll save like the cream for later. I don't know what this is. So this is a advanced peptides and flora-collagen gentle jelly cleanser with rice powder, amino acids. It says polishes and softens for smooth skin. So if it's something polishes and it says skin restore, typically if something polishes and restores and smooths, it's probably some exfoliants in it. So let's see. I'm going to
reveal my youthful radiance.
Alright, it says squeeze a small amount onto hands and apply to dry or dampened face and neck. Gently massage in circular motion. Rinse thoroughly with water and pat dry. Use morning and evening for maximum results. Follow up with your favorite Derma serum and moisturizer. So I got lots of those. Let's see what's going on in here. Okay. Let's open it up first and remove this safety seal. It smells like kind of like lavender a little bit. I could be wrong, but I don't really think I'm wrong. Okay. Oh, okay. It looks a little inappropriate, if you know what I mean. I'm sorry. So yeah, like I said, there's like tiny micro exfoliants. It's not really harsh. So it's a very, very light exfoliant. I know they had that gentle mask and cleanser that they had. I had on the very first one that could have that has exfoliants in it. It's definitely more harsh on that one than this one. It's super light. It's like very, very light. So it's like maybe okay to use multiple times a week. I obviously have to wash it off, but that's what it feels like. So it is very hydrating, so I understand why they say you can use it on dry or damp skin, but it does look very inappropriate. Like, I'm gonna call him, but whatever. Yeah, so there's that. Definitely gentle. Typically with exfoliants, you don't want to use it more than 2 to 3 times a week, just because you need your skin to like heal, because it is abrasive. But this is actually very, very light. It says it has amino acids, but like, let's see if my skin's gonna look even more beautiful. I do want to say, I'm telling y'all, I be stress, depression, anxiety, everything is taking over, and it makes it hard for me to want to do anything. Like, you guys know, like, I'm still showering and getting up, so that's good. I don't really have a choice, but sometimes it gets that bad for people where they don't even want to shower. So let's just say I'm not that deep in yet. Just because I always have to shower. I have to keep some kind of routine to keep myself together. And that's just what that is. But I've not really been taking care of my skin like I'm supposed to. And I know it's bad. But I do my best. So I don't know. I also don't know how this is going to work as an exfoliant. And then using those cleansing pads with salicylic acid and other stuff in it, because you feel it. Like, you feel it working. Like, it's the very first time I used it, I was like, it kind of burns. But it absolutely works. The very next day, those face demons that I had, those 2 big ones, were dried down. And the next day after that, they were good. So, like, any breakouts that I have been kept at bay. And I gotta thank them. I gotta thank Derma for that, because I'm not doing well. So my skin, the fact that my skin is holding it down for me says a lot. But I don't know if I can use it with those cleansing pads, so maybe I would just use this at night, since I like to use those in the morning. I don't know. We'll see. Granted, I need to get back on my nighttime skincare routine, because it is not. We gotta go. All right. And the last product is an advanced peptides and flora-collagen cryogel mask. I love a mask. So it says apply a generous layer on the face and neck. Guys, your décolleté. Some people's necks be looking old and wrinkly. And was it crepey skin? It's because y'all don't moisturize your neck. It says leave on for up to 15 to 20 minutes. Pro tip, place in refrigerator for cooling and enrichment. First of all, I do want to say that I got a skincare fridge. I'm pointing at it. You guys can see. A few years ago, it finally just stopped working. Like, it just stopped. And I do love certain masks. So the CBD jelly gel mask from Truly Beauty, loved it when it was in the fridge. Certain serums I love to keep in the fridge. It just feels better. Like, I even had like a matcha mud mask from Teamy Blends. That also really great when it's in the fridge. It just gives a nice cooling effect and it soothes the skin. And so this is gonna have to go in my regular fridge. Luckily, it's just me, so I don't have to worry about anybody eating it. It looks cool. Look at that. Oh. All right, so let's see it. This one you can use if you're pregnant. The other ones you can't use. Not me. Them. All right, doesn't really have a smell. Pretty thick. Literally like hair gel. So I'm just gonna put a little. Everything's going on the same hand. I'm sorry. But this is supposed to be washed off, so it's fine. Everything on this hand is supposed to be washed off. I don't know. I guess you can make it last and let it stretch, because I just had a little bit and it'll cover my entire hand. And it's a relatively small, it says a generous layer. I don't know how long this is gonna last. Maybe like a few weeks. If you use it once a week, I think that's the best way to do it, because it's not a lot. Like, you can make it stretch, you know, but it says a generous layer, so I'm a little concerned about how long it's gonna last. But I think this would be dope. I'm telling you, when you put stuff in the fridge, if you have irritated, sensitive skin, it definitely helps a lot, especially if you go in with harsher products beforehand and then you go in with this and it's going to soothe it, calm it down. Your redness is going to be decreased with that also. It's just really, really nice. So this is dope. Here are the 3 products we got. Clothes. I think these are targeted toward, it says skin restore. This one doesn't really say. This is anti-wrinkle. So pretty much the same thing. These are all targeted to restoring your skin, reducing wrinkles and fine lines. It's going to be really, really dope. You guys know how old I'm going to look. Say with me. 2. Okay, but that is it, guys. These are really, really cool products. I can't wait to try this one. I'm telling you, it looks nasty. Yeah. But that is it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me on this quick skincare unboxing featuring Derma ARiiE product. If you haven't already. First of all, did you like the video? Are you following me on Instagram? Like, I'm trying. I'm doing my best. I posted in my story the other day. I'm going to be posting this week. So watch out. Please. I'm coming back. I'm trying my best. Okay? Life is fucking me up right now. So bear with me. Also, are you guys okay? Mental health check. How you guys doing? Are you guys better? I'm not. I'm just ignoring it now. So, yeah. But if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork crew, so you'll be notified every time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time.